The Prime Minister issues a statement on the ordinance. He now says he considers the issue on his return. It's something that the Prime Minister will have to give his bearing on now.
All right, that's really the statement coming in from the Prime Minister. Remember, he is in New York right now. There's a bit of a political storm brewing back home when Rahul Gandhi, the Vice President of the Congress, openly challenged the position that has been taken by the government so far of going through the ordinance route.
All right, Nandita Suneja joining us live on that story, chief political correspondent there. Nandita, clearly the question being, has Rahul Gandhi made the Prime Minister's statement and his position untenable?
Well, there is a section in the Congress party that believes that the Prime Minister's position actually has become untenable, especially after Rahul Gandhi has publicly come out and taken such a strong view against the ordinance, which was piloted by Dr. Manmohan Singh's cabinet and approved by his cabinet as well. It's interesting to note, though, that these decisions were also taken in the core group where Congress President Sonia Gandhi was present. She is, of course, a member of the core group. So while questions are being raised on why Rahul Gandhi is lambasting decisions of his own government and his own party, the fact remains for the time being that the onus is really on the Prime Minister to take a call on how he reacts to what many say is a public humiliation of Dr. Manmohan Singh by Rahul Gandhi. Remains to be seen what he'll do, but if you go by the statement that the Prime Minister has put out, he's tried to cover it in as much formality as possible and said that we're going to come back and take a decision on this, on the ordinance.
That's right. In fact, Nandita, that very statement coming in from the Prime Minister where he says that he will come back and take a decision on this particular statement, will react to that particular statement by Rahul Gandhi. Let's quickly go across to Natasha Israni joining us from Washington, D.C. Now, Natasha, just take us through what exactly has been the statement that has come in from the Prime Minister. Of course, this is a very controversial,
the Prime Minister only making a very brief statement in which he says that he is apprised of the matter back in India and that he would address it when he returns to India after due protocol, including consultations with the cabinet. He's tried to, I think in the statement, trying to play down the matter